at the closing doors, please.
This is West 4th Street. Transfer is available to A, B, C, D, E, and M trains. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform. This is Queens-bound F local train. Be in Port Square. The next stop is 34th Street, Carroll Square. This is 42nd Street, Bryant Park. Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3, 7, B, D, M, Q, R, and W trains. Transfer is available to the shuttle to Grand Central.
Yep.
Oh, you have Instagram?
Center of the platform.
Oh yeah, bro. I skipped something for you, bro. Literally, I love the school. Yeah, you're not done. I got nothing to do. I was donkey. I just came out of school, man. That's an hour ago. But I literally got out. I got on between 3. For me, I got the I went up to 360. I took the taxi. Probably got that hour.
Alright, man, I'm off your seat.
What age now?
I'm sorry.
Which age? Yeah, the one that was from Bronx? Yeah. Yo! My daddy is so